Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Musafir Automation. Today I want to show two different brand PLC Modbus communication. One is Master. This is Master Mitsubishi FX3UC PLC, and this is Delta DVP ES2 brand PLC. Okay, this is Master. This is Slab. This is Delta is Slab. I can operate both. I can operate both. If I want to control using slab to master, can do this. If I want to control slab using master, I can do this. Okay. Now I input master x0. Then the slab output will be 3 is 1. Look. Okay. Look. 3 is 1. Now I 2 is 2 is 1. Input 3 is 1. Yes, here is show. Yes. Okay. If I sense 2 is 1. Okay. It's working good. Okay. Okay. If now I want control from slab to master. Okay. Now I input from slab PLC. Okay. Okay. Input here is 1. Okay. This is 1. Now input 2 is 1. Stop. Okay. Now show. Off. Now input x1 is working. Okay. Input x1 is working. If I remove the input, the output is master output will be off. Okay. Again I input x3 and it's working. Okay. Look. Okay. Now I control from this. Virtually software. Okay. Look this. Now I control use from this to here the delta PLC. Okay. Now I want M0, then the master output Y0 is 1. Okay, look. Okay, it's on. If I off, now it's off. Okay. If I want M1, then it's again M0. Okay. It's working. Okay. If now I want to turn off. Okay, I just put this off. This off. Okay. Okay, on is on. Okay, now it is off. Okay. Okay, no problem. If now I turn on to master to slab. Okay, now I use Mitsubishi PLC input. Okay, just look. X0, then it is 1x. Okay, and when I push M01, that time x0 is 1. Look. Okay, 1. M1, x2 is 1. Okay, M3, s3 is 1. As per my program, when I can change program, no problem, anytime. Okay, it's working good. Okay, now I control same. Slab to master. Okay, now slab x0 is 1 is here. Look, 1. Okay, is working. Okay, M1 to 1 is working, and 3 is working. So if anyone need any kind of Modbus program or any machine PLC program, just contact with us. We can sell any machine program as per customer requirement and send it via online. Inshallah, no problem. Assalamu alaikum. Allah.